the next topic is general introduction to herbal industry. So I have already told you why in herbal industry has been launched and what are its uses. So why synthetic drugs are been not using nowadays, and why herbal industry is increasing day by day. Okay, all those things you need to write. Okay, and some examples of herbal industries which are present. I have also given that photo to you guys, right? Hope you remember all those things. Okay, so those all things you need to write, and after that you need to write about GMP guidelines. Okay, so GMP guidelines also you need to write first about what are good manufacturing practices. Then you need to go for Schedule T, good manufacturing practices for Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani medicines. This is very very important. Okay. This also I don't have the material which I have given to you guys. That was very easy material. If you have, once go through it. So first we need to see the part one, that is factory premises. Okay, general requirements, location and surroundings, buildings. Okay, how they have to be according to the Siddha, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani systems, how this all should have to be, how should be the designing. Okay, next rooftops, drying spaces, water supply, dispose of water, waste. Okay, containers cleaning, all those things you need to study and write. Okay, this is very important. Schedule T, good manufacturing practices of AUS drugs. Okay, those definitely may come. Packaging material, finished products, health, clothing, sanitation, hygienic conditions, all those things, machinery and equipment. You have that small notes, important points we have written on the sides, right? Those things if you write, that's enough for this unit. This is very important unit. And also finally I want to say another unit is there, right? It is also very important, but saying only the important points in that unit is very difficult to make you understand. So better you read that unit, don't leave that unit at all. And these all things, it is very easy for you, right? If I am leaving anything important points, then you just let me know. But that only that unit I can't explain, only the important points in that. So you have to read that entire unit. If you don't have the material, just ping me. I will just send you the photos of that. Along with that, if you don't have any material, please, it's not late. At least now you message me, I will just send you. Okay, don't leave any topics. If you need any topic explanation by night also, you can just message me. I will explain the topic for you guys. It might be 12 or 1 or anything. You just message me. I will just explain you the topic. Okay, so that just listen to the topic. If you are able to understand that, just represent that on the paper. That's enough. Okay, hope you guys understood all the topics which I have explained to you. This also, if I had that material with me, I would have explained you again, so that it will just go through your mind. Okay, go into your mind. So anyways, all the best for the exam. In the exam, during the exam, if you have any like doubts or anything, if you forgot, you can ask me. I will help you out. But if you come without reading, I won't help you anything. That's for sure. Okay, first 2.5 hours or 2 hours you perfectly write what you know. Okay, after that I will definitely help you. Okay, that's a promise from my side. So please, you keep a promise that you have to read each and everything which I have explained you now, and read it completely and represent it on the paper. Okay, all the best guys. Hope this time we have 100% pass percentage for our subject. Okay, take care, study nicely. Okay, bye.